Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the windows. This one is an Audi A5, however it works on all Audis and other models as well. So Skodas, Seats, etc. like that, VWs. It does work on stuff like that. So basically the problem was when we were pressing the unlock or the lock button and holding it down, the windows weren't going down. So I'll just show you here, you'll understand what I mean. It is working now. So this wasn't happening. And when you lock it and hold it, it'll go back up. This was not happening on the car at all. The car wasn't responding to this. And also the passenger door would not open from the outside unless it was open from the inside first. After locking, if it was open from the inside, and then it would continuously open from the outside, otherwise it wouldn't do it at all. So basically all that this car needed was the battery had been disconnected and it needed to resync. So in order to fix the door, what we've done is went on the outside and just there's a little child lock which is on the side. We just twisted that one to open it and it worked straight away. That was a simple issue. But this one is the windows issue. In order to do the windows, what you need to do is you need to have the key in the ignition. So we'll put the key in the ignition. See, it all lights up. So then what you do is, with the windows up, you fully push these two buttons down. So you push them fully down so they can actually open the window completely. Make sure your ignition is on. If your ignition's not on, it will not work. So what you need to do is you need to hold the window button to open it fully. You need to do with both of these continuously. So you hold them both down and it'll open the window continuously. You let go of the button and then you press and hold it down again for another 10 seconds. So once they're fully opened, you let go of the button and then you press them back down again for 10 seconds and then you repeat this again. So what we'll then do is push them upwards and let the windows go completely up, let go, and then pull them back up again for an additional 10 seconds and then let go. Take the key out of the ignition, put the key back in, and then when you do it, the windows should automatically go down. So if I press that button, the windows automatically going down, and it's the same on the passenger side. And when I push it up, it'll do the exact same thing again. Continuously goes up, continuously goes up. Then you can try it with the key and it'll work. In another video, I will show you how to fix the door issue if you have got that issue.